What's up, everybody? Chad with C&M Collectibles. I'm the C. This is the M.
Hi.
Melissa, my loving wife and best sorter.
Yeah. Well, whatever.
Anyway, we decided to grab a Universal Yums box here. And basically what this has in it is a bunch of different things from other countries. And we thought we'd give it a shot and see if we could gross the
very picky eater. I don't even like my food to touch.
The picky eater we got here out. We do have a rule that we each have to eat everything.
Once.
And
just one.
We've got water nearby. We've got
paper towels.
Trash receptacles.
Trash receptacles.
Yeah. So let's get started. The outside of the box says, "Dear old Blighty." You can see it there. Okay.
Crooked.
Yeah. And it's got a picture of the Union Jack. So we got Great Britain / UK, England, that sort of deal.
Okay.
Let's open it up.
Let's bring on this double-decker bus.
For a ride on the trolley.
Oh, man.
All right. You open it up. It says, "Welcome to the UK." Nifty.
Let me see that.
And then on the back is, "You decide." We're going to give each thing a 1 to 5 number.
Okay.
The score. Okay. We got a little book here.
Yipes. Okay.
With everything that's in it.
Okay.
Oh.
Yep.
So, anyway.
Oh, man.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, man. All right.
All right. First thing we've got.
Oh, no. Why do we have to start with that? All right.
We've got Maggies Haggis chips.
And black pepper. Don't forget the black pepper.
Cracked black pepper. So, we're going to try this.
Let's see.
Anything in the cheat sheet there about...
Let's see.
Contains no meat, it says.
Right,
So
it does contain no meat. According to a 2003 survey, 1/3 of American tourists actually thought haggis was a wild animal. Not sure if that's helpful.
I believe haggis is the internal parts of a sheep, I believe. So,
that is correct. Oh, but it's got onions, grains, and spices.
Now it does have...
But then it's boiled in an animal stomach. So
okay.
I had some plus there, but no.
2,120 kilojoules in this.
Great. I'm going to have to run extra long today. Potatoes. That's the first ingredient. So that okay, good.
Ready?
Oh, haggis and black pepper is the third one.
Here we go.
Oh, God. Okay.
Just reach in there and get you one.
Can I smell it? Should
Sure.
I smell it?
Oh, absolutely. I'm sure it's just like smells like potato chips.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. You ready?
Oh yeah.
All right.
Let's do this. I mean, it really just tastes like a potato chip.
Not a potato chip.
Your dad would like these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My dad eats anything that walks.
And doesn't walk.
Oh, man.
Mackies of Scotland, gently cooked to perfection.
It kind of tastes like fish-ish, I guess. I don't know. I don't eat fish, so I don't know.
I think they're pretty tasty. I'll be visiting those in a later break. I mean, I give it a 4.
Ooh, I'm going with a 2.
2, that's pretty low.
Yep. Okay, what do we got now?
Next up, another bag of chips, Mackies of Scotland. This one is the sea salt and cider vinegar.
Cider vinegar ranks right up there with...
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Flavor.
Okay.
It's flavor with the OU.
Fish and chips. Just said I don't eat fish, so that's good enough. Potatoes, though, again. Potatoes number 1.
Ridge cut. You like riffles? Ruffles?
Yeah, they hold the flavor in, so that's great news.
These look just like normal chips to me. Potato crisps.
8,500 fish and chip shops across the UK. That's one for every 8 McDonald's. Oh, that's not settling well.
Man, that's good. It's got good flavor.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh.
I hate vinegar. So
me too. So this would be great.
This would be wonderful.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not bad.
Oh.
It's got a little wangy wang from the vinegar. It does need a drink. But it's got a little wangy wang from the vinegar, but it's not bad.
Oh.
It does taste like a potato chip. I could do that again. I could do that again. Keep that in case something gross comes up. I can do that again.
Oh.
Okay, what have we got now? That was good. I give that I could give that a 5.
Oh. Nope.
Okay.
Mm.
You can have another drink.
Mm.
I need a drink.
Stronger drink. That was a 2.
Okay.
I'm saving a 1 for, I don't know.
Okay.
This is Mackies of Scotland again. Oh.
Yes.
Mature cheddar and onion.
I don't know what unmature cheddar is, but okay, let's see. Cheese and onion is the most popular crisp flavor in the UK. The bold flavor has since beat out salt and vinegar. Hey, hey.
I wonder why.
Bursting with age, cheddar smokiness, and powerful onion zing.
Right.
They're going to linger on your breath for some time. Great.
Kiss me, Kate.
No way. Ugh.
Okay.
I kissed you after that haggis.
No.
Oh.
Give it a whiff.
Okay. Doesn't have ridges.
No, no ridges. This is just potato crisps.
Potato crisp. It doesn't really have a smell.
You're gonna like this better than me.
Okay.
Ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Tastes like a cheese Pringle.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
definitely better than the
That's good.
cider vinegar
I give that a 5.
debacle.
That's a good one. That's a good
5,
one.
you're easy.
Wow. It's good. I liked it.
Heard that about you.
We got to figure out which one we're going to
It's
make
a 4.
Allie eat. Okay. All right.
Allie, so far the cider vinegar.
Yeah, I'm with you.
All right, we got
we might have. Oh no. Okay.
We'll do these.
I don't care.
Or
Whatever.
wow, that's okay. We've got
She might have to eat these.
wow, Johnny's. Let's see, Johnny's pickled onion rings.
Oh god.
Pickled onion flavored corn snacks, only 20p.
Great.
That's
Well, thank goodness it's only 20p.
pence.
Okay.
6 pence, none the richer. Crying out with flavor.
Strong oniony zest and vibrant tang. You'll be left wondering what just hit you. I bet I will.
It's vegetarian
Well, that's great.
and it has natural coloring, as you will.
Small pearl onions soaked in salt. As if they're being scooped straight from the jar. Oh,
Keep your country tidy.
Keep your country tidy. Well,
Yeah.
that's a nice message.
Yep.
We just have to throw your crud away.
Best before. Hey, they're not even expired. Right.
Sure.
All right, here we go.
All right, UK peeps.
Oh man, I was expecting Funyuns. That is not Funyuns.
That's not Funyuns. Oh man.
Dip in there, Sparky. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be the vibes. Oh man. Pickled. I don't even like pickles.
Okay, ready? Oh. No.
Oh! Oh!
They dissolve quickly.
It just keeps getting worse.
It does. Oh man. Oh, what is that? Oh.
Oh, no. Nope.
She's gonna have to eat that.
Yep.
Okay.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, moving on. Oh.
Oh man, what is all that?
I don't know. Oh no.
Chewy bonbons. Oh man. Rhubarb and custard.
Rhubarb and custard.
Chewy bonbons. Okay.
Oh, it says the long pink celery-like stalks are everywhere. It has the tartness of a berry plus the refreshing crunch of celery. Because, wow.
Oh, that last thing.
Still in there. Man. Wow. Oh, we didn't rate it. But I think that...
It's a 1.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I
think that's probably safe.
It's a 0
What's
if we had that
What
score.
is it hard? What is it?
I don't know. Grab one. Chewy Bob.
Oh, chewy?
Chewy Bob. No.
How am I going to chew
Yeah,
that?
chewy.
Yeah, it is. But how am I chewing that?
Ready?
Oh, man. All right. Holy. How do you chew it? Probably should have our dentist on speed dial.
Mmm.
Struggling a little. So. I've had this before.
Yeah, it's like an hour later.
It is like an hour later.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
But chewy.
Yeah.
Ugh.
That's not horrible for being rhubarb and custard.
Oh, it's not bad. It's just a
Actually,
little.
I'm gonna give it a 3.
chewy.
A 3.
Yeah. You can have that after she eats the other thing. Ooh. Something's not. Something's Okay, ooh, made it through that. Okay.
What in the heck is that?
It's got jammy on it. Okay, it's chocolate covered marshmallow cookies with raspberry jam. Oh my god.
Wagon Wheels Jammy.
Oh, these wildly popular treats, they have it all. They have gooey marshmallow fluff. Gross. A dollop of raspberry jam. 2 crumbly cookies and a layer of creamy milk chocolate. Doubt it.
So it's like a moon pie, sort of.
With raspberry jam.
You got tears coming out of your
I
eyes
do.
from the
That
pickled
pickle
onion rings.
mess was was a mess.
I don't think we have 2 of these. I think we'll just save one and we'll share this.
Yes, please.
Okay.
Look at all the ingredients in that bad boy.
Well, it does have,
Yeah.
polyglycerol and
Well, that's
polymerleeping
good. Well,
and
then we
methionine.
feel like Americans eating
Right.
that stuff.
Okay, here we go.
All right.
Here's what it looks like. Oh yeah, it looks like a moon pie.
Stuck to the paper, man.
Which I've never had a moon pie, by the way.
Well, there you go. You want to go first? You want me to go first?
It's always you ladies first.
Oh, great.
I'm such a gentleman.
Yes, today. Okay. Oh, good. Ooh. Not a fan of fluff. And I didn't get any raspberry. Oh. No. No.
Oh. No.
I think the fact that they called them jammies. No. Okay. Yuck. I'm still crying. Okay, what are we giving that?
To me, that's a 1 to me. I mean,
Yeah, that was bad.
we got some various candies here.
You want to do that?
Yes, we got.
What do we got?
Oh,
yeah.
Should make it known they have 3 different sizes of packages on this. This is the medium size because this was the first order. I wanted to get it before the month ended. They didn't have the larger size available until the following month on the 15th. So next month we have an even bigger box of different wonderful things coming.
From somewhere.
Yeah.
I can only
It's a
hope.
yum bag. See?
Oh, look, there's a recipe for bangers and mash.
Nice.
Discussion
would like
questions.
that.
I have a discussion question. Okay. Yum bag. What do we got first?
I don't know.
They said there's Walker's non-such charcoal. Well, what is
Okay,
that
right up.
word? What is that?
Non-such.
No, not that word. I got that word.
Oh, what? Treacle? Treacle?
It's a sweet golden liquid similar to
This?
molasses. Oh god. Oh.
Oh, this is it here.
No,
Chocolate.
that's the chocolate limes. I see no chocolate about that, but okay.
Here.
Is that what we're doing first?
Yeah.
Alright.
Chocolate lime coming up.
Okay, wait, let me see.
Stockley's chocolate lime.
These boiled sweets, because anyway. Oh, something's not settling well.
I think we need.
It's got a hard shell with a smooth cocoa center. Oh,
A little bit of light there, yeah.
Okay. Pop one into your mouth
That made
and
it work.
taste for yourself what you'd be subjected to if we were still under the kingdom's rule. Oh, great.
Oh yeah. Ready?
I guess.
Chocolate limes. Lime candies filled with chocolate. There's really only one way to do that. It's
Just kidding. It's slimy. Oh, am I supposed to chew it? That's gonna be stuck in there a while. In my teeth.
Mm-hmm. Nice lime flavor though. I like that.
I do have to say,
I give that a 4.
it's good that we had the chocolate, because otherwise that would be way too limey.
Honestly, I didn't taste any chocolate in there.
Oh, I do. Thank goodness.
This is
Oh, that stuff.
treacle toffee. Should we just like eat half of it instead of each having our own?
I don't know, because it's supposed to be golden liquid, so I think it would be
Golden liquid. That's
similar to molasses. Come on now.
mm-hmm.
It probably tastes like what you said. Yeah. There's some story.
You're in for a treat. Golden liquid.
Right? He discovered the syrup in the 18th century in a cave. God, that was gross.
Strong.
Yeah.
I think you can clean your oven with those.
Oh, and I like that kind of stuff. But that was a bit much.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, here we go. I'm opening it up.
All right.
Walker's treacle.
There's no secret. It's delicious.
Treacle toffee. Put the.
Oh, it's
They put the fecal in treacle.
Great.
Here we go.
Okay. Does stick to the paper.
Yep.
I happen to get mine without paper.
Oh.
Yeah,
Smell it? Did you smell
Yep, I did. I can smell it from here. Yep.
Okay.
Supposed to say yum when it's over. Oh, gross. Mmm.
Kind of tastes like coffee a little bit. I'm not a big coffee guy.
Duh.
Hmm?
It's stuck.
It's not bad.
Okay.
But I like toffee. That's like coffee toffee almost.
Oh,
She likes it.
no.
Oh.
How was that?
Contains no alcohol.
That's a Prosecco Fudge. That's not what we got. That
No,
is a... Oh.
contains no alcohol.
Oh, gross. It's a black currant and champagne flavored candy. It's the Cur Royale Chew. Oh, it's also appeared in the Pakistan box.
Ah.
Right? See, that's gross. It's
Got a
gross.
bite at the end, man.
I know. It's stuck in my throat, too. Okay.
Man, if I had $1. So, what is this? Kin?
Okay, so, Cur.
Cur, Royal Chew.
So it says
Royale.
that, oh no, it's a French cocktail containing champagne and black currant liqueur.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Good, here we go.
You gotta give me one.
I thought we'd split this one. Just save a dozen for later.
Yeah, we got plenty of those, I think.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
it makes my nose run. Okay.
Well, I'm still running from the pickled onion rings there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Much more tart and far less sweet than a blueberry, because I love blueberries.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, this is black currant and champagne flavored candy. Boom.
Ugh, stinks. Chewier than the last one, easier to get through. Also not
Whoa.
good.
Mmm. No, now it's coming at me with that now and later flavor. Mm.
Okay. You're just a little late.
So sweet.
Yeah.
It's like jam inside sugar inside cane.
Black currant?
Cocaine.
No.
I don't know. Okay. Wow.
Gross.
Okay, we got one thing left in here and it looks like a caramel.
It is not. It's called a Prosecco Fudge. It also contains no alcohol, too bad.
Needed after that last few.
Oh, man. It's called the Yum Bag, by the way.
Yeah, I said that earlier. It's not yum, though.
It's not yum. I'm pretty disappointed.
Nope.
Okay. This is how to put the fizz in wine, which I don't drink wine, but I would assume that it doesn't have any fizz.
We're not big wine drinkers around here. Around these parts.
Oh, Prosecco has sparkling wine. Okay, got it.
Prosecco Fudge.
Regardless of oh, UK is the first one to put it in fudge, so lucky us.
And we're the first ones to get it out of this box.
Great.
Ready? Oh, it's hard.
Oh, man. How am I going to chew that?
I don't know. I'm going to go for half a bite, actually.
Okay.
Oh, well, it's actually...
Not bad.
Yeah?
I don't really get anything.
No.
I mean, it's sugary. Very sugary.
Oh. The whole Yum Bag is... You know what? I figured out why the teas are the way they are over in England.
Right?
Yeah.
Ah.
Too much sugar. Okay.
No to that one. I mean, it wasn't bad. 3? We haven't been rating these.
Oh. Okay, well,
Okay,
black currant. Okay.
That got like a 1 for
That
me.
was a 1.
That was
It
bad.
was cruising at a 2 until the end. Lime filled with chocolate for me was a 4.
Okay, so I give that a 2. How about your treacle coffee?
Treacle toffee, that was a 3.
And how about Prosecco Fudge?
It's just a 2.
It was just nothing to it, so
Mm,
but
just sugar.
it wasn't gross.
All right. Oh man.
Okay, you want that one or you want something
It's the
different?
same thing.
I don't know what it is. Dreamy creamy toffee. Huh?
Walkers. Didn't we just have Walkers toffee?
I don't know what we had. I don't know. I don't think so.
Oh, we had treacle toffee. This is regular toffee.
Yeah. Good.
Whack, then unwrap and enjoy. X.
Whack, then unwrap and enjoy X.
I'm not making that up.
No.
Whack it and then unwrap it.
Okay.
Hey, it really did. It broke into pieces.
Okay.
What you got there on the old dreamy creamy?
It's a family recipe. Milk, butter, and molasses are heated to 300 F, not degrees, just
Well, yeah,
300
300 F.
And then formed into solid
I
blocks.
don't want you to get it confused with Kelvin.
And just like the tiny treat shop, this toffee bar is meant to be whacked to break it into pieces.
Mm-hmm.
It is not overly hard and brittle like most toffees, yet firm enough to crack.
My mouth is waylaid in sugar.
Right. Okay. Glucose syrup is the first ingredient, followed by sugar, followed by sweetened condensed milk.
Yeah, it says made with whole milk and butter.
Well,
So that's good.
the first 4 ingredients are sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Glucose is sugar.
What is that? Not a fan. I'm not a sugar fan. Sorry. I'm just not.
Oh.
I also see what's coming, and I'm not fans of those either. Okay.
Here we go. This
Are you
is.
biting or are you shoving it?
I'm just chewing it. Yeah, I'm biting
The
it.
whole thing? Okay. All right. Oh my, how do you?
And I just lost 2 teeth.
Oh.
Got good flavor though.
It's not gross.
Mm-mm. It's dreamy. I'm dreaming right now. Hold on.
Not dreaming about this, but
What?
put a big pickle little bite.
I told you.
It's the Food Network faux pas.
I don't watch that. I put my headphones on when you start watching Food Network. It's got good flavor though, man.
Yeah, that was a good one.
That's my first 5, I think, for me.
So,
Takes 6 hours to get through it,
well, but that's good.
but it is long lasting. You could watch a movie while you
It's good.
crack it, rack it, watch a movie.
Also not expired.
People are at home watching, saying, move on to the next thing. Well,
I'd like to, but I was trying to see how many calories are in this, but
yeah, they go by kilojoules.
it's not English.
They're not very nice to joules over there.
Yeah, no, they kill them.
483 kilocalories.
I bet. And how many's in a serving? A whole bar? Oh.
100 grams is a serving. 50 grams. I don't know. I can't read English.
Right.
Okay.
Whatever. Okay, what do we got next?
Toffee Pops. Toffee-filled biscuit with chocolate flavor coating. Toffee Pops.
Supposed to be perfect with a cup of tea. Great.
Once you pop, you can't stop.
Oh, here's some info. It doesn't have anything to do with these, but stew a bag of tea for just 48 seconds for the lightest flavor, 50 seconds for a medium flavor, and 64 seconds for the strongest flavor.
I don't like tea.
And you're supposed to add chilled milk. I've had tea with milk. It's actually very good.
Yeah, I'm not a hot tea drinker. I drink iced tea, obviously.
Like, it's going out of style. But...
Yeah. All right.
Oh, man.
Oh, yeah, we can break this in half.
Yeah.
Oh, man, look at that.
Oh.
What do you mean?
I am not a fan
Some
of
shortbread little...
shortbread. Right, exactly my point.
Yeah.
So this is...
So this is your favorite.
Why don't I
You just take a bite?
bite it? Yeah. So it's layers of chocolate and cookies. Gross. Oh. Gross.
Cool.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. You'll eat those later.
What'd you give the toffee?
4.
Oh, okay.
Only because it was so chewy.
That's a good thing when you're not on camera.
No.
Okay. I mean, yeah. It's got shortbread. I like shortbread. You know.
It really doesn't have a taste. Like, what is that stuff in there? Does
Well,
it
it's
say
caramel.
what?
Caramel in the middle.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
It's supposed to be toffee.
Okay.
But
Caramel toffee.
Okay.
Well, we got one item left
One item
here.
left. Not looking forward to this either.
Oh.
No, he dies. I have to fix that for the next one.
Well, I think we're okay. What we've got here is a failure to communicate. No, we've got Dean's light and crumbly chocolate chip shortbread mini bites.
Okay.
I think we might have saved the best thing for last here.
No, nope. Short means crumbly,
Is that right?
and that's why the fat added to pastries is called shortening. So it's,
Uh-huh.
it's melt in your mouth, short texture.
Well, they wrapped it good.
Don't say your knife's in there.
Yeah. That's too easy.
Oh man, I think I still got pickle remnant. Something's not It kind of looks like they're unbaked chocolate chip cookies.
Maybe you gotta cook them yourself. And then visit the loo.
Instead of it's blue, alright.
Okay. We're gonna have to use like Ziploc baggies on all this stuff.
Or not.
Or the trash baggie.
Some of it's gonna get that.
Here you go. Would you like a
Spot of tea? No, I'm good.
a mini bite of?
I could. Do you want a mini bite it, or you'll eat the whole thing? You like those?
I will.
I do not like shortbread.
More for me.
I've got something nutty going on in there.
Yeah.
Sadly, no nuts in the ingredients, but there's
I mean,
something
they're
nut
good.
in there.
They're good, but they're not great. That's a 4 for me.
There you go. All right. Do we want to bring Allie out?
We do. We're gonna cut away here real quick. She's gonna go get Allie, and then we're gonna have Allie try one of these pickled onion rings.
Just for you.
Yep.
All right.
We are back. We have retrieved Allie, and she's gonna try a couple things for us.
Yeah.
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
Now.
Just trying to make this straight.
Okay, what
Yeah.
would we like her to try?
I think she needs to try the pickled onion rings first.
Okay.
And then we're going to give her a chocolate chip cookie.
Ooh.
Okay.
Okay, pickled
Gotta
onion
eat
ring.
this and just chew till it's gone, okay?
Yeah. Let's put it in there and get it going.
Get it going. Is it good? Is it gross? Super gross or just kind of gross?
Oh, you are doing a great job.
Super gross.
Super gross. Good job.
You did a great job of hiding your.
Oh. Would you like one other one?
You want
Another,
that?
a different kind?
No.
A different kind of chip? You smell pickly.
Yes, you
How about a
do.
cookie?
Yeah.
You want a cookie?
Uh-huh.
Chocolate chip cookie?
Yum. I love
Or do you want a
chocolate.
cookie with caramel?
Yeah, do you want this?
Daddy's got a bite with caramel in it.
No,
Well,
thank you.
No? So
I know.
she's
so
such a good girl.
Okay, here we go.
Okay.
I might
Now you can
like.
have your chocolate chip cookie.
Chocolate
you can
chip
eat that
cookie.
whole thing.
Yep. Or you can put
I
them all at
didn't
once.
mean right this moment, but okay. Is that
Good.
good stuff?
You like that?
All right. Well, tell your friends bye. Say bye, friends.
Bye.
Ooh.
See you next month.
No, boom.
Hmm?
She said, see you next month.
Oh, I know. What'd you say?
Boom.
Next.
Bye.
I have boom in my mouth.
Thanks for joining us, and we will see you guys
On our next journey.
next month. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say be good to each other.
Big Ollie.
All right.
All right. Good job.